Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here comes the fifth part of our video series in which we are learning the conjugation of Korean verbs in the present, past and future tense. That too in the informal form of conjugation, that is the most commonly used form of conjugation in everyday life. Okay, so if you have not watched the first four parts of the series yet, then you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. So let's begin with the fifth part. Here comes the first verb, and that is 날다, to fly. 날아요, 날았어요, 날 거예요. 운전하다, to drive. 운전해요, 운전했어요, 운전할 거예요. 쉬다, to rest. 쉬어요, 쉬었어요, 쉴 거예요. 전화하다, to call. 전화해요, 전화했어요, 전화할 거예요. 물다, to bite. 물어요, 물었어요, 물 거예요. 축하하다, to congratulate. 축하해요, 축하했어요, 축하할 거예요. 피다, to bloom. 피어요, 피었어요, 필 거예요. Now, you might be thinking that why I haven't conjugated pida as 펴요, 폈어요 in the present and past tense. So here's the answer. There is a verb 펴다 that means to unfold or to spread, and 펴다 is conjugated as 펴요 in present and 폈어요 in the past tense. So if I conjugate pida as 펴요 and 폈어 in the present and past tense, then it will be quite confusing to find out which verb am I talking about, right? So for easy understanding, we conjugate pida as pioyo in present tense and piossoyo in the past tense. Okay? So keep this in mind that why we don't conjugate pida as pioyo and piossoyo. Okay? Now let's move ahead. 상상하다, to imagine. 상상해요, 상상했어요, 상상할 거예요. 꿈꾸다, to dream. 꿈꿔요, 꿈꿨어요, 꿈꿀 거예요. 결혼하다, to marry. 결혼해요, 결혼했어요, 결혼할 거예요. 죽다, to die. 죽어요, 죽었어요, 죽을 거예요. 초대하다, to invite. 초대해요, 초대했어요, 초대할 거예요. 불다, to blow. 불어요, 불었어요, 풀 거예요. 걱정하다, to worry. 걱정해요, 걱정했어요, 걱정할 거예요. 눕다, to lie down. 누워요, 누웠어요, 누울 거예요. So, we learned 15 Korean verbs being conjugated in the present, past, and future tense. Now, let's do some sentence practice to understand how to use these words in Korean sentences. Okay? So, let's begin. Here comes the first example. Eagle flies high in the sky. In Korean it is 독수리는 하늘 높이 날아요. Eagle is 독수리. Sky, 하늘. And high is 높이. Okay, we have used the adverb to modify this verb 날아요 as high in the sky, right? Flying high in the sky. So 날아요 is to fly in the present tense. Okay. Next is I will drive the car today. 저는 오늘 차를 운전할 거예요. The word for today is 오늘. Car is 차. And to drive is 운전하다. Future tense 운전할 거예요. You can see it is very easy to use the conjugated form of verbs in sentences. Right? Next is my mother will rest at home. 저희 어머니는 집에서 쉴 거예요. Mother is 어머니, home, 집. 에서 is the Korean particle to indicate a particular location in the sentence. Okay, so here the location is home, 집에서. To rest, 쉬다, future tense, 쉴 거예요. I called my friend. 저는 친구한테 전화했어요. Here, friend is 친구. And when you called your friend, so you made a phone call to your friend, and for that the particle 한테 is used. To call, 전화하다, past tense, 전화했어요. The dog bit my hand. 개는 저희 손을 물었어요. Dog is 개, and my hand, 저희 손을. To bite, 물다, past tense, 물었어요. Now let's look at some more examples. The first one is happy birthday. Or if you want to say I congratulate you on your birthday, then in Korean it is 생일 축하해요. So here comes the Korean version of one of the most commonly used sentence or phrase, happy birthday. If you're learning any language, then you will definitely want to learn how to say happy birthday in that particular language. It is a very commonly used sentence, right? So in Korean, happy birthday is 생일 축하해요. Birthday is 생일. And when you congratulate someone, then the verb for that is 축하하다. And in present tense, it is 축하해요. All right? Next is the flowers bloom in spring. 꽃이 봄에 피어요. Flower is 꽃. Spring, 봄. And to bloom is 피다, present tense, 피어요. Next example is the children imagine dinosaurs. 아이들은 공룡을 상상해요. Children is 아이들. I is child, plural form 아이들. And dinosaur is 공룡. To imagine 상상하다, present tense 상상해요. I dream of traveling. 저는 여행을 꿈꿔요. 여행 is to travel. And to dream is 꿈꾸다, present tense 꿈꿔요. Next example is my friend got married last year. 저희 친구는 작년에 결혼했어요. Friend is 친구. Last year, 작년. And to marry, 결혼하다, past tense, 결혼했어요. Okay? Now let's look at the last 5 examples. That cat died yesterday. 그 고양이는 어제 죽었어요. That cat, 그 고양이. Yesterday, 어제. The verb to die is 죽다, past tense, 죽었어요. I will invite my friend. 저는 친구를 초대할 거예요. Friend is 친구. To invite, 초대하다. Future tense, 초대할 거예요. The child blows up a balloon. 아이는 풍선을 불어요. Child is I. Balloon is 풍선. To blow, 불어요. Okay? I was worried. 저는 걱정했어요. To worry is 걱정하다. And in the past tense, 걱정했어요. And the last one is I will lie down on the bed. 저는 침대에 누울 거예요. Bed is 침대. And the verb for to lie down is 눕다. Future tense 누울 거예요. Alright? Okay, so in this video, we learned the conjugation of 15 Korean verbs in the present, past, and future tense. And also, we learned how to use these verbs in Korean sentences. So I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.